Hey! In today's video, I will show you how to turn on flashlight on both of these screens on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, on the main screen, swipe down to open the control panel, and right here you'd be able to see this icon with a flashlight. Click on it and the flashlight is enabled. Now, to turn it off, simply click on this icon once more. Now, to enable the flashlight on the cover screen, wake up the screen by double-clicking on it and swipe down. Here you'll see the same exact icon with a flashlight. If we will click on it, we will get the warning, turn the screen away from you to prevent the light from shining in your eyes. Now, to enable the flashlight, click on the volume button and the flashlight is working. To turn it off, you can click on this button on your screen or click on the volume button. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on flashlight on both of your screens. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.